Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process on how you add funds to your Coinbase account. And we're going to do this by linking up my bank account, but there's a lot of different funding options and then how you can go about funding your account from there. So what we want to do is launch the Coinbase app. And if you haven't already linked a payment method to add funds to your account, you're probably going to get something on the home screen of your Coinbase account that says, hey, how about you go ahead and add a payment method? So you can click on that. If you're not seeing this anywhere on your homepage, you can also click on these three lines. That'll open up our Coinbase menu where we can go ahead and click on where it says account and settings. And if you want to add or change your payment method in your account and settings, you have the option here with your payment method. So we're going to open that up. And then click on where it says add payment method. And there's a number of options here. So you can link up a bank account, a debit card, a PayPal account. Additionally, if you want to invest large amounts with no limits, you can set up wire transfers. And then if you've received a Coinbase gift card, you can redeem that as well. But I'm going to do a bank account for this example. So at the top, I'm going to click on where it says bank account. And almost certainly any bank account that you have is going to be linkable through using the Plaid technology. So in this example, I'm going to be using Plaid to securely connect my bank account to Coinbase. So what I'm going to do is click continue. It's important to note that you're going to want the name on your bank account to be the same as the name as what you used to sign up with Coinbase, but clicking got it at the bottom. And now we're going to go through the process of linking up a bank account using Plaid so that we can get access to those accounts in Coinbase. So we're going to go ahead and click continue. I've signed up with Plaid in the past, so they have my phone number, so this is going to be a login. But if you haven't used Plaid before, it's just a quick sign up, but I'm going to enter in my phone and then click continue. Then you need to select your banking institution. If you don't see it on the home page here, we can search for our bank, and that's what I'm going to do. My bank is SoFi, so I'm going to type that in and then select SoFi. And then you're going to need to enter in your bank login credentials. So for me, with my SoFi account, it's going to be the email and password that I use to log in to my SoFi bank account. And then click submit at the bottom. Then you need to verify the code that they sent to your phone number. So they'll text you a 6-digit code. You can enter it here and then click continue. Then I need to select the SoFi account that I'm going to be linking up. So for this example, I'm just going to link up my checking account. So I'm going to select that right here and then click continue at the bottom. And it says success, your account has been successfully linked. So I'm going to click continue. And I'm all done linking a payment method, so I can go ahead and click done. Heading back to the home page of the Coinbase app, you can see we have this deposit option right here to fund our account with. Also scrolling down, we can see the funds that we have in our account and our cash area. We also have a deposit option here that we can click on. So we're going to go ahead and click deposit. And we're going to be adding cash funds from our payment method. So this is going to be depositing cash, transferring the funds from my bank account. So I'm going to click on that option. And if you want to do larger deposit amounts, you can do the wire transfer option, but I'm going to click on where it says deposit cash. Then you need to enter in how much cash that you want to deposit into your Coinbase account. After entering in the amount, we can click on preview to preview this deposit. And it shows us that it's going to be a $100 deposit from my bank to my Coinbase account. You can double check to make sure that you're selected on the right account here. And for this funding method, it's going to be instantly. If you want, you can convert this money to USDC. It's basically just going to take your $100 US and put it on the blockchain with stablecoin US dollars using USDC. So if you'd like to do that, the option is right here. Otherwise, it's going to show the total at the bottom. It shows us no fees, and then I can click deposit now. The request was sent, and they're going to notify me when the transfer is complete. You can also check your account for updates. So I'm going to click on where it says view account. And I can see that I've now added funds. I have cash. My balance is at $100 US, and I can see that deposited transaction right here. Heading back to the homepage of the Coinbase app, if we scroll down, we can see that our amount deposited now shows up right here, and that's going to show up in our cash balance. And if you ever want to take a look at your transactions history in Coinbase, you can click on the menu in the upper left-hand corner. And in our menu, if we scroll down, we can find our transactions here and click on that. And that'll take us right back to our transactions page where we can see our deposited funds. And we can also click on this right here to get all of the information about that particular transaction, its status, when it occurred, where the money came from, and a reference code for the transaction if you need it. So I hope this video is helpful walking you through the step-by-step process on how to add funds to your Coinbase account, doing this by adding a funding source such as a bank account, a debit card, PayPal account, wire transfer, however you're funding your account, and then how you can deposit those funds into your Coinbase account after doing that. So I appreciate you guys stopping by and consider subscribing to the YouTube channel for more content in the future.